Shawty bad and she thick, yeah she know that she the shit. I ain't slip, I got grip, bust it fast, girl you lit. You got tits, that ain't shit, check that ass, yeah that's it. Do the splits, I might clip, you know you be on your shit, yeah. Bounce that ass all in my face, hit it.
What's up, my team? What's good, my team? What's up, y'all? It's your girl Adriana, and I'm back with another video. So today's video is gonna be a video I have not done in a very long time, and it's going to be wow, I almost said makeup tutorial. I'm going to do a facial tutorial, but it's gonna be a summer edition facial tutorial, so stay tuned for that. But first, if you're new or returning and have not already hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below to become a part of the Supreme team. Also, while you're at it, make sure you hit that bell button right beside it to turn on my post notifications to know when I post, because I do post weekly. Also, if you guys didn't know already from my last video, I made a Twitter, so make sure you guys add me on my Twitter. And yeah, without further ado, let's jump on into the video. Basically, this is gonna be a summer edition. So basically, this is what I use in the summer. So guys, let me put you guys on. So you know how in the summertime you break out more in the summer than you do in the winter. So I don't know about y'all, but I break out more in the summer. So this right here is great for the summertime. This is a 5-in-1 exfoliating wash, and basically right here it tells you everything. So this basically clears blocked pores, it reduces pimples, it clears acne marks, this reduces excess oils on your face, which is good for you guys if you guys have oily skin, and it's also good for blackheads. So I don't know about y'all, but I got blackheads and I got acne marks on my face. Like my forehead, ooh, it's a hot mess. So I'm going to be doing that. So without further ado, let's get on into the wash. So you guys know that I have my little spin brush, you know, my little beauty. So I'm just gonna dip it in the water, and I'm just going to dripping on me. This is not the sprinklers. And I'm just going to put a lot on here, like this. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you know. And I'm just going to zh it on my face. By the way, if you see me looking over here, it's because I have my mirror over here. So yeah. After I look like Casper the Friendly Ghost, I'm just going to take my little beauty rag and I'm just going to wash off the exfoliating wash. By the way, if you guys ever wondered, throughout this video, throughout all of my facial tutorials, I do have a little bowl of water. If you guys ever wonder like where the hell I be getting this water from, I have a little bowl of water, and I usually use hot water because hot water is good for your pores because it opens up your pores. So this is another, you know, just a little tip, just in case you guys didn't know. A little tippy tip. Next, I'm going to go in with my Biore strips, nose strips. Now this helps really remove blackheads from your nose. And I also used this product in a previous video, but you know, I didn't have the box, but I found the box. I'm gonna just take one out like this, and I'm just going to apply it on my nose, and then I'm going to add water. So it comes like this, and then so it comes like this, and then as you guys can see at the corners, it has like a little plastic on it. So as you guys know, it has a little plastic, so you know, you just take it off and then boop on your nose. So yeah, that's exactly what I'm about to do. Take it off the plastic. Oh, for those of you that don't know about these Biore strips, you have to use it with water because that's the only way that it's going to stick. You cannot just put it on a dry nose and expect it to stick. So part of his ice. Just leave it on your nose for about what, 15 minutes, but I usually leave it on until it's just hard as a rock on my nose, and then I just take it off. So I'll see you when it's hard as a rock.
2 drip, drip, drip. You ain't the one for me. You ain't got shit I need. Boy. I think you better call Tyrone. So remember that thing she did on stage? Times I back to boy, don't be afraid.
Alright, you guys, so it's officially been 15 minutes, so I'm just going to take this off. Let me stop. I'm being dramatic. And my last step for this little, you know, facial tutorial is going to be always want to make sure you have a toner. You need to put a toner on your face after you wash it. It hydrates your face. Yes, honey, yes. And I'm just going to be applying it with these little cotton pads. It hydrates it. Oh, by the way, if you guys didn't know, toner hydrates your face, and it also takes out all the leftover dirt that was not taken off with the washes. Because listen, some washes only take off a certain amount of dirt. Alright, you guys, so this is how my face looks now that I washed everything. It reduced a lot of acne bumps, but I still got more to go. But you know that happens when you keep washing your face over and over and over again, you will see a difference. So just make sure you wash your face every day. Get the dirt out your face every day. Wash your face. Wash your face. But yeah. Alright, you guys, so that's the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment and subscribe down below to my channel at Supreme_Queen101. Also, while you're at it, make sure you hit that bell button to turn my post notifications to know when I post, because I do post weekly. And also make sure you guys follow me on all my social medias, which will all be in the description box below. And yeah, as always, I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.